All right, today we're going to bring in a refrigerator stand, and this actually could be used for other things instead of the refrigerator stand. All right, if you guys can see, I finally finished it. It took me about 20-30 minutes to put it together, but to give you options, instead of rolling legs like it has, you could actually put in fixed legs, all right? The stand looks wonderful. Wheels are ready to roll out. You could lock them in place. It takes pretty much anything under 20 inches of space, which is perfect for this type of fridge. It's a mini fridge. Ambience for your man cave. Or if you have a college student or going to college. This is a small refrigerator. It could be taller if I want.